Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I am back. I am so sorry. I have been on like a 3-week, almost 1-month hiatus from YouTube because my computer broke, and instead of buying a new one, I decided to try to repair it myself, which I did. It just took some time to get everything done. I have a full-time job now, and I'm still trying to, figure everything out with my life and my children and doing YouTube. But I'm back for today. I'm back right now, and I'm happy that you guys are watching. Anyway, we're going to be doing a hair tutorial, natural hair tutorial using Diva by Cindy today. As you can see, I came up with this like Wakanda Forever inspired tribal braids type of hairstyle. So I'm starting off with my hair that is already washed. It's still damp. I'm basically straight out of the shower, and I'm starting off using the Diva by Cindy leave-in detangling conditioner, which I freaking love. I use this all the time. I've done so many videos with Diva by Cindy because this is my third one, I believe, because I love them so much. I love the product so much, and I go through them like crazy, and I love them for my whole entire family, my children, me, everything. So as you can see, I already have one of the tribal braids done. I'm just really spraying that leave-in detangling conditioner generously on my hair, and then I'm brushing it through with a Denman brush, and then I'm going to take the Diva by Cindy FECT edges, my favorite products, and I'm going to smooth that through this section also. As you can see, I parted my hair on the extreme sides, so 2 braids are going to be going from the back to the front of my head on each side of my head. So I'm just basically taking that perfect edges. As you can see, I do have some of it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to add that to the braid as needed. I love Diva by Cindy because you can use these products, just 2 products to do an entire style. So all I'm using is the detangling conditioner leave-in and the perfect edges, and I am going to achieve this bomb style, which is those 2 products. So as you can see, I'm braiding the hair towards the front, a cornrow braid all the way down, and then I'm smoothing some more of that perfect edges onto the braid and slicking it down with an edge control brush. Now I'm taking my favorite accessories, which are these just plain gold hair accessories that you can get at the beauty supply, and I'm just going to place those strategically on the 2 braids wherever you want them to go. You're going to have to make them really small and really tight to make them stay, but it is possible to do this. So I'm just putting those just to add a little bit of more tribalness, a little more Wakanda Forever type of feel to the hairstyle. And then I'm going to repeat that same thing on the other side of my head. So as you can see, I have the braids done on either side of my head, and I also have the back portion of my hair twisted. So this is a twist out / braided style. So I want to twist the rest of the hair that's not in the tribal braid so we can get the twist out feel from the rest of our hair. So I am starting to twist the top portion of my hair now. Again, spraying that leave-in conditioner all throughout a small to medium section of hair. Denman brushing it through, and then adding the perfect edges on top, and then just twisting it down like I normally would for any other basic twist out type of style. Alright, so I have my hair completely twisted up, the remainder of hair that's not in the tribal braids. And just so I can look presentable while I'm walking outside with my hair still wet, I just wrapped one of the twists around the base of a little ponytail I made at the top. You could rock the style like this, especially when it dries. It does look really cute. But I'm going to choose to take the twist down when my hair dries. But I did like walk around outside. I went to go get my kids from school. I went to the grocery store, things like that with my hair just like this. And I got a whole bunch of compliments. But now it's time to go ahead and take this style down. So this is like the next day. This hairstyle dried rather quickly, which is amazing. It didn't take like multiple days. I would say it only took one. Well, it did only take one because this is the next night. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the twist down and we will finish up this style. To take them down, I'm just going to unravel the twist from the bottom all the way up very gently, and I'm not using any oil on my hands or anything like that because my hair is already extremely moisturized from just those two Diva by Cindy products, the leave-in detangling conditioner and the perfect edges. So a lot of times I will add oil to my hair to take it down, to cut down on frizz, but as you can see, my hair is extremely shiny, black, and moisturized with nice curl definition, so that was not really necessary. So I have the entire top portion of my hair untwisted, so I'm going to put this part up into a ponytail again. First, I'm going to take the perfect edges again and smooth it on the top portion of my hair and make that nice and sleek and smooth, and then just put a ponytail holder on it and make a nice little normal ponytail up there. So now it's time to take down the back portion of my hair, so that is what I am doing. And I'm just going to take the twist down, and then when I get done taking them down, I'm going to separate. You can separate as much as you want. By separating, I mean pulling the twist apart. The curls that the twist created, pulling them apart to make your hair fuller and more volumized, and you can do that to your liking. As you can see, I am pinning the top portion of my hair up under, like folding it under and pinning it in place to kind of make like a little mushroom effect. This is what I call the mushroom. I do this to my hair all the time. I will just fold it under and position it the way I want it to look, like a huge puff on top, and just bobby pin it in place. Now, to create even more volume on my hair, I'm going to take a normal like hair pick, and while I'm separating, I'm going to put that pick up against the scalp of my hair and then pull out, just to make sure the hair is nice and big and fluffy and even more volumized and not flat and boring. And once I do that, that is the end of this style and the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.